Linking your HomeAware wireless doorbell or the dry contact universal transmitter is very easy. To link the two devices, press Setup on the main and the word link will appear. Then press Enter, also on the main, and the word link will begin to flash. Then press the button on the base of the accessory and the two will automatically connect. To select your notification, use the right two blue buttons to scroll through the display names. Once you have selected the one that you would like, press Enter and Done will appear on the screen. Thank you. Enjoy your HomeAware system and your new device.